In this video segment, we will add a resource to our dataset. I have navigated to my previously saved dataset page. In order to add a resource, you must first create and save a dataset. At the top of the page, I am going to click the Add Resource button. That brings me to the Create Resource page. I have the choice to upload a file or to link to an API, website, or remote file. I will walk us through how to upload a file directly to the Ag Data Commons. The other options to add resources through a link to an API, website, or remote file essentially work the same way in terms of filling out the resource form. The difference is that instead of finding the file on your computer, you will paste in a URL of where that file is located on the internet into the field shown. My file is a CSV on my local machine that I am going to upload, so I'm going to stick with the upload option and find my file. You can drag and drop, or you can browse to locate that file. You will see a progress bar as your file uploads, and when it is done, you will see it here as an attachment. Because this is a CSV or comma-separated value format, and I want to be able to use previews and graphs, I am going to check the Graph and Grid buttons, as well as the Embed button. You only need to check these boxes if you are uploading a CSV file. This preview and interactive functionality does not work with any other type of file. Scroll down the page and give the resource a title that is descriptive. See our version policy for best practices on file naming. Then fill out the description field to identify the contents of this specific file, how to use the data, and so on. You don't need to reiterate your overall dataset description, but you do want to note how this file differs from any others you are sharing as part of this dataset. If this resource is the data dictionary, check the box. My resource is not a data dictionary, so I will skip this for this particular resource. Type in the format of your resource. Do not include the period. For this resource, I will type CSV so my dataset can be searched by resource type. You can include recommended software if it is something unique that you want to provide a title and link for, or if you have a preference of how people view this data. If you want to embargo your data resource, click on the Scheduling Options section at the bottom of the page and enter the date and time you would like to publish this resource. I don't want to schedule an embargo, so I will leave this blank. I am now ready to save this resource.